Hey everyone, it's Tyler here, and welcome to another adventure.
Welcome to Bolivia, a land of contrasts and extremes. Nestled in the heart of South America, Bolivia is one of the most diverse and captivating countries you'll ever visit. From towering snow-capped mountains to vast salt flats, dense rainforests, and vibrant cities, Bolivia offers an adventure for every type of traveler. Bolivia's rich history is etched into every corner of the country. It's a place where ancient civilizations left their mark long before the arrival of the Spanish in the 16th century. The indigenous Aymara, Quechua, and Guarani people have been here for thousands of years, and their traditions, languages, and customs continue to shape Bolivia's cultural landscape. In modern Bolivia, about 40% of the population identifies as indigenous, making it one of the most indigenous nations in Latin America. This deep cultural connection can be seen in everything from the colorful textiles and crafts sold in markets to the traditional dances and music that fill the streets during festivals. If you visit during Carnival, you will witness the country's vibrant folklore at its finest. Our journey begins in La Paz, Bolivia's seat of government and one of the most spectacular cities in the world. At an elevation of roughly 3,650 meters, La Paz is the highest capital city on Earth. As you approach the city, it seems to cling to the sides of the Andean Mountains, with the majestic peak of Mount Iamani serving as a dramatic backdrop. La Paz is a whirlwind of activity, culture, and history. The Witches' Market, known locally as Mercado de las Brujas, offers a fascinating glimpse into Bolivia's blend of ancient beliefs and Catholic traditions. Here, you can find potions, charms, and offerings to the Pachamama, the Andean Mother Earth. Don't forget to visit Plaza Murillo, the central square surrounded by government buildings and the stunning La Paz Cathedral. Bolivia is also known as an adventurer's paradise, and La Paz serves as the gateway to one of the most thrilling experiences, the Death Road. Officially known as the North Yungas Road, this narrow, winding mountain path has earned a reputation as one of the world's most dangerous routes. But for adrenaline seekers, biking down the Death Road is a bucket list experience. The breathtaking views as you descend from the high-altitude city of La Paz into the subtropical Yungas region make it all worth it. Next, we head to the Sala de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat. Spanning over 10,000 square kilometers, this otherworldly landscape is one of the most iconic destinations in Bolivia. The vast expanse of white salt crust, stretching as far as the eye can see, creates an almost surreal sense of isolation and calm. During the rainy season, the thin layer of water on the surface turns the flats into a giant mirror, reflecting the sky and clouds in an illusion that blurs the line between earth and heaven. The salt flats are not only a visual wonder, but also hold significant economic importance. Beneath the surface lies a vast reservoir of lithium, a key component in batteries for electric vehicles. Exploring the salt flats is an unforgettable experience, with popular tours often including visits to Isla Incahuasi, a rocky outcrop covered in giant cacti, and the nearby train cemetery, where rusting locomotives and train cars from a bygone era create an eerie, photogenic scene. From the rugged beauty of the highlands, we travel to Sucre, Bolivia's constitutional capital. Known as the White City because of its pristine colonial architecture, Sucre is a charming blend of history and tranquility. This city was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site for its well-preserved buildings and monuments, many of which date back to the time of Spanish colonization. While in Sucre, take a stroll through Plaza 25 de Mayo, the city's main square, surrounded by stunning whitewashed buildings, including the Casa de la Libertad. This building is where Bolivia's Declaration of Independence was signed in 1825, making it one of the country's most important historical sites. Sucre is also the perfect place to immerse yourself in Bolivia's rich traditions. The city hosts various festivals throughout the year, and visitors can enjoy traditional Bolivian cuisine, including dishes like saltinas, which are savory pastries filled with meat and vegetables, or the hearty soup called sopa de mani, made with peanuts. Next, we head to Potosí, one of the highest cities in the world, sitting at an altitude of 4,090 meters. Potosí is a city that was once the center of the Spanish Empire's wealth due to its silver mines. Cerro Rico, the rich hill, looms over the city, and for centuries, it was the source of immense silver that fueled the Spanish economy during colonial times. Today, visitors can explore the colonial architecture of Potosí, including the impressive San Lorenzo Church and the Royal Mint of Potosí, where silver coins were minted for the Spanish crown. For those who are adventurers, a visit to the working mines of Cerro Rico offers an eye-opening and often somber experience, giving insight into the difficult conditions miners continue to face. Our journey continues to the shimmering waters of Lake Titicaca, the highest navigable lake in the world at an elevation of 3,812 meters. This majestic lake straddles the border between Bolivia and Peru and holds a sacred place in Andean culture. According to legend, Lake Titicaca is the birthplace of the Inca civilization, where the sun god Inti sent his children to create the Inca Empire. On the Bolivian side of the lake lies Isla del Sol, or Island of the Sun, a tranquil retreat dotted with Inca ruins and terraced fields. It's a peaceful place to explore on foot, with breathtaking views of the lake and the distant snow-capped Andes. The island remains an important cultural and spiritual site for the indigenous people of the region, who still follow many of the ancient customs of their ancestors. No trip to Bolivia is complete without experiencing its lush Amazonian rainforest. One of the most biodiverse regions on the planet, Madidi National Park, is a haven for nature lovers. Located in the Amazon basin, the park covers a vast area of tropical rainforest, home to an incredible array of wildlife, including jaguars, monkeys, pink river dolphins, and hundreds of species of birds. Exploring Madidi offers a chance to connect with nature and learn about the indigenous communities that have lived in harmony with the environment for centuries. Many eco-tours provide opportunities to see rare wildlife, learn about medicinal plants, and even stay in eco-lodges run by local indigenous groups. As our journey through Bolivia comes to an end, we leave with memories of a country rich in natural wonders, cultural heritage, and adventure. From its towering mountains and salt flats to its vibrant cities and sacred lakes, Bolivia offers something for everyone. Whether you're a history enthusiast, nature lover, or thrill seeker, this country's unique beauty will leave a lasting impression. So, are you ready to discover Bolivia?